Welcome to the next video in the Fast Frack Video Series. Each video covers one task, so you will be able to master this program in no time. We learn by doing, so let's onboard one of your active leases. From the left menu, click on the Leases panel, and you'll see Active, Pending, Expired, and Closed. Go all the way across and click on Add New Lease button. You'll see there are 5 steps to add a new lease. Number 1, since this is the first lease in the system, you can skip this step since there won't be a template in there until we finish setting up this lease. Let's move to number 2. Select the property that you created along with the tenant for this lease. Moving down to number 3, the lease terms. Since we're onboarding an existing active lease, I will enter June 1st, 2020 as the start date. However, you should enter the start date for the active lease that you are currently onboarding. Once you have entered the start date, let's move to the end date and input a date for some time in the future. The lease term will be calculated automatically. If it's a month-to-month lease, simply toggle month-to-month to the on position. You'll see that the end date is removed and the term defaults to month-to-month. For this illustration, let's toggle month-to-month off. Enter the rent amount charged. The default for rent due is set to every month. Next, we have first payment. This setting is the one that you really want to pay attention to. First payment is the next rent payment that is coming due. To say it another way, the software will start calculating rent payments from this month. To save time and to be able to follow along in the next video, please set this one with the first payment due as the current month you are in. At the time of recording this, we are in June, but enter the date for the month you are currently in. Moving down to step number 4, the security deposit. Type in the amount you charge for the security deposit. We will add the late fee in another video. Moving down to step number 5, create a template for future use. Toggle the Create Template from off to on. Name the template with the name of that property or in another way that makes sense to you. We are going to skip over Create Documents. If you click Create Documents, it will take you to the lease creator. It compiles the lease and all the addendums. We will cover that in another tutorial. We are going to click Finish. Congratulations! Now you have finished creating a lease. You're working smarter, not harder. If you have any other questions, please email or give us a call.